Girl, in your love with the ginger me, you they give me the love and the energy. Only you where they hide me like Hennessy, baby, Girl, in your love with the ginger me, you they give me the love and the energy. Only you where they give me melody,
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tuesday, the 15th of February. How did your Valentine's Day go? My Valentine's Day was a hot mess. Like, a lot of things were just going upside down, but it was a good day. We thank God for life. That's something to be thankful for. How did you guys spend Valentine's Day? Let me know down in the comment section. Were you people one of these what they call them now, the lonely ones at home, just hating on people that are kept posting on Instagram, or did you have like active plans during your Valentine's Day celebration? Let me know down in the comment section. Anyway, like I said earlier, today is Tuesday, and you guys, so ever since I moved to Port Harcourt, actually it's not even about when I moved to Port Harcourt, right from time, even when I was living in Lagos, I was never a party goer. I'm one of those people that used to go for OWAMBE once in a year. Anyway, a particular OWAMBE popped up this week for me and my spouse and some of my new friends here in Port Harcourt, and I took it upon myself to make headgears for all of us, well, the three of us, and that's what I'm trying to prepare for. So apart from making headgears and filming content and all of that, I do stuff. I study on the side. I'm a thinker. I have school work to do, so most times I don't really have a lot of time to sew as much as I would love to, or make pieces as much as I would love to, or even create video contents as much as I would love to. I usually have to think a lot and kind of pace myself and schedule stuff such that I'm not missing in action on my YouTube channel, because we are going for global domination on this particular channel, right? So yeah, I digress. What I want to do now is to make headpieces. So this is the ASOOKE for this particular OWAMBE that is coming up this Saturday, and I plan to take you guys along all through the week up until that Saturday. Hopefully things will go as planned. I really hope to carry you guys along. But yeah, for today, because like I said, I need to structure my life. I think I'm one of all these really structured people. I like to think of myself as a structured person, right? So what I want to do today now, I already told myself, I already made a note of it. Today is for dividing my ASOOKE pieces for the particular headgear that I want to make for us, 3 different headgears for the 3 of us. I want to pace myself such that I divide my ASOOKE today. If you are frequent on my channel, you know what that entails. Then maybe tomorrow, I'll wrap the headbands and make maybe 1 out of the 3 headbands that I'm trying to make. Then the day after, I'll make the second one. Then the day after, I'll make the third one, such that my study is not lacking and the target I need to meet as well is not lacking. Anyway, that's that about that. I just decided to come on here to start this particular vlog. This is the same. This dress is about to become a national artifact on this channel. It has featured a lot on this channel. I think I need to make something like this for myself when I have more time to do stuff. But anyway, it's me again this week with another vlog. I hope it's going to be a very fun one for us. The idea is to prepare for an OWAMBE. I hope it's a fun one. Let me stop rambling, and yeah, I'll see you guys after I'm done dividing my ASOOKE, or even tomorrow actually. I'm not sure I'm coming back on here today. I'll come back maybe tomorrow to continue. Yeah guys, it's the following day, and don't even know why my mic is acting up. When I tell you this content creation or entrepreneurship life is the ghetto, I'm not even joking. Like, I've been up since 7 a.m. trying to meet up with making the headband that I spoke about yesterday, the one that my friends and I are supposed to wear this weekend. Thankfully, I was able to round it up. It's currently like past 3 in the afternoon, and I'm just about to have my first meal of the day. Like, I feel like I'm obsessed with my work, and I'm saying obsessed because I don't know which other. I don't know if it's, am I in love with my work? It just excites me when I get to, you know, doing stuff with my hands, and it's so beautiful. Anyway, we're not talking about how I feel about my work right now. I just wrapped up making the pieces. The one I made for myself in particular, I think I like it. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So I made this, it was inspired by something that I saw on Instagram earlier on in the week. But yeah, this is it. It just looks different. It looks nice. Like, I don't know why my camera is focusing on my face, but yeah, this is it. Let me cover my face. Aha. So this is it. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and you guys will see how I rock it on Saturday. Anyway, today is Wednesday, and I just finished working. Like I said, I'm about to see if I can edit some TikTok content that I filmed last week when I went to make my hair. That vlog is still yet to go, but hopefully it will go up sometime this week. And then in my last vlog, someone was asking me how I film for TikTok. So what I typically do is I either film with my phone or with my camera, but I make sure that I'm filming in such a way that my lips are so crusty, but I'm too tired to stand up to go get my lip balm. I'll go get my lip balm right after this bit. Anyway, I was saying I film my content in such a way that my camera is giving me a 9x16 shot. If you look at your camera setting, you will see the option for 9x16. So that's how I film. And if it turns out that I'm filming using my camera, I tilt my camera to the side. I don't know how to explain it because I'm filming with my camera currently, but I tilt my camera to the side. Basically, this is my tripod. I tilt it upwards this way such that my camera tilts towards the side. I don't know how to explain it. So I tilt my camera this way, right, so that my camera turns to the side, and then I film my content, zoom in such a way that everything looks aesthetically pleasing. I hope my explanation makes sense, but yeah, that's how I film TikTok content. And when it comes to the style, I spend a lot of time on TikTok and Instagram, basically looking at what other people are doing and pick inspiration from there. Really, whatever trend is going on, if it's a particular song that people are using or a particular style of filming or transitioning, I just go with the flow, right? But when it comes to filming, setup, when it comes to filming, that's what I just showed you. But when it comes to the type of content I film, honestly, I don't have any rule book. I just do what I see other people doing or things that just come naturally to me. And I hope that people watch it and, you know, I get a lot of numbers on whatever video I film. But anyway, like I was saying, I want to go ahead to edit videos right now. My husband is going to be back home tomorrow, and you guys, I don't even know how to act. Like, it's been intense, but yeah, hopefully he'll be back home tomorrow, and that's supposed to be fun. Hi guys, so it's Saturday today, and it's like 6:23 a.m. I'm currently trying to see if I can quickly edit a particular tutorial for tomorrow, because the video that would typically have gone up tomorrow, I went to go and post it yesterday. It's a vlog. I don't know, I feel like I would prefer to post vlogs during like a weekday and then post my tutorials on Sunday, because typically the traffic on my channel on Sundays is usually quite a lot, and I think that's because it's been like a trend on my channel where people expect that, well, I hope so, people expect that, my AC is so noisy, people expect that a tutorial will go up on Sunday on my channel. That's what I think it is, but anyway, I might be wrong. So I'm trying to see if I can edit a video this morning before stepping out. So the wedding I've been talking about in some of my vlogs and all that, the wedding is today and it's supposed to be for 11 a.m. well, the church, and then afterwards the reception, of course. For those ones Nigerian, I don't know, do they do church wedding and reception outside the country? I wouldn't know. Anyway, that's what it is this morning, and I made a particular headgear for this particular wedding, and I plan to take pictures and just try to see if I can publicize that headgear so that the video that I post on that headgear on my channel would do well. I found that a lot of times when I do a lot of publicity on a particular thing for my channel, that video, whatever it is that the thing I don't know how to talk, whatever it is that I was, pushing on my other platform tends to do well on YouTube. So I plan to do that for this particular headgear. The idea is to take pictures, do reels, do TikToks, and basically drive people, tell them to go and watch full tutorial on my channel on YouTube here. And I hope that, the idea comes to fruition and, it brings people to the channel. Anyway, that's what I'm up to right now. My husband is back home, by the way. That's why you guys have not seen me. The last time you guys saw me was on Wednesday, and because he got back sometime during the week, and I forgot I was vlogging. You guys, roots. That's that about that. I just thought to pop on here this morning and basically give you guys an update on what's going on. I really hope that the headgear tutorial that I filmed, the ones that I made, I also made headgears for my friends, like I mentioned. I think I showed you guys. I hope that it all does well. I'm trying to see if I can cajole them into like doing reels with me today or something, just to basically make the whole thing interesting. Like, I hope it does. And if they don't agree, that's fine too. I mean, I can't force people to be comfortable around camera if they aren't. But yeah, that's everything about everything. This wedding, the awkward thing is that the bride and the groom, my husband and I don't know them directly, but we know their parents. But I'm kind of judging myself, because I remember when I was getting married, like, it was so weird that most of the, like, 70% of people that came for our wedding were like our parents' friends, our own friends, right? My husband and I were just like, we could literally count our friends. So, and that's exactly what we are doing now. Like, the bride and the groom don't know us directly, but we know their family members. Anyway, that's that about that. We got invited and we are going to honor the invitation basically. Anyway, I think I'm going to quickly get to work, quickly edit this video, and most likely when I'm all dressed and ready to step out, I'll come back to show you guys my look for the wedding. I'm nothing special. The dress I'm wearing, I've worn it before. The only new thing is the headgear that I made for myself out of the ASOOKE that was given as the Ashwebi for this particular wedding. So nothing exciting, but I'll still come and show my outfit of the day, or yeah, it's outfit of the day, right? I think. Anyway, I'll come back to show you guys that. All right, you guys, so I'm ready to go out, and this is my outfit of the day, the outfit of the Mogbamoya that we are going for. Anyway, what do you guys think? I'll see if I can link a full video of what my dress looks like, but people that are frequent on this channel already know this dress, but I'm just going to put it for the sake of people that are new here. I've already wasted so much time, and somebody will soon pose me. So I need to step out quickly. I'm going to go out with my camera today, because I'm going to try to see if I can take pictures of my friends that I made this something like this headbands with this particular ASOOKE. I'll carry my camera just to see if I can take pictures of them for the purpose of the channel. All right, guys, let's get going.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Sign me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so.
Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.
You guys, so I'm back home and it's time to wrap up this vlog. The party was fun, as you could tell from all the footage that I put in between. No, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This was definitely different from the kind of thing that I typically put on here on the channel. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give the video a big fat thumbs up. The bride today was a dancing bride and I was absolutely here for it. It just took me back like to memories of my own wedding where I was just moving like an effigy. Like I was so shy, but yeah, I love when I see brides that are so, you know, no shyness and they're just digging it out on the dance floor. It was really beautiful to see, and the event as a whole was absolutely colorful, and it was more interesting because a lot of our friends were there, so it didn't feel weird at all. Like I said, if you enjoyed watching, please be sure to give the video a big fat thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. And yeah, have a fabulous week ahead. Bye.